Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can take that. And I really wanna know where I was at that, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there wear the bag.
Whole vlog.
Full hug squad.
Really good recording shit. Yeah.
Self-shot goggles.
Takes like 3 in the spot, right?
Yeah.
Jeans then. I'll meet you there. Yeah. Or do you want Gene to come up? That way you can bring the wheeler down. And then we can just like unload the...
Fuck it, I'll just drive.
You don't want to be alright then. You see that shit?
This is really fucking rad. Like that.
What do you say, fellas?
Diet cigs.
Right. What? Standing. I hit the fucking bottle. I was about to say the deer already ran away.
Yeah, I smell you then.
You got bullets with him?
Not a lot at all.
Check it out. This is just for the views.
You should bring it.
Alright, what are we doing, Cam? What are we fucking doing? Explain to the people.
Well, Libby's about to take a shot. Then we're going to set this up for Dad. Dad's going to chug a 2-liter soda.
Haley's gonna fucking chug a 2-liter of soda.
I just want to shoot the target.
I'm gonna fucking trip! Fucking chug it, Daly! Daly, wait!
Just got the 30-06 out. First time in fucking...
I gotta get the good camera shots.
feeling the same. I'm just hoping you feeling the boy. I just know that I'm spitting the same. I just know that I'm feeling the void. Weak niggas I'm finna destroy. I forgot the shit up when I came. Then we left at the end of the story. When it's all said and done, you seem like a rock. Green ball gon' rise to the top. Little nigga be killing the noise. Tryna only put out the vibrations. I don't even see the looks. Tunnel vision to the paper.
Alright, cue the throwback to last time we were in this cart together.
Flip, going 40 down fucking Bull Hill, gun. Kinsey got all fucked up. Show me your scar, gun. Oh, dude. Arm does hurt, bro. We flipped, going down Bull Hill in neutral. Ah, damn. I'm just glad I made it out of there alive.
We're up already?
It's foaming.
Alright, gun. You just poured a lot on.
It's doing its job.
Oh, it's cleaning.
Tasty.
Maybe he needs it on some spot.
No, he's good. You got it, bro.
We got some explosives here. It's a tannerite. I dropped like $100 yesterday just buying 30 cases of these. We're gonna shoot these suckers and watch them blow. If it's not big enough, we're gonna combine all of them and make the biggest blow we can get. Be sure to use correct crystal packet with your target. Half-pound target requires 1 silver packet crystals per 2 targets. Uh-oh. What, we gotta do maths? Isn't it just 1 for 1?
Come on, big pig.
That's like
So what are on the silver packets, Cam?
you mix it in with the tannerite and it makes it go boom. Because this don't go boom on its own. So that's 15. There's 30 of these, so only half. So one of these goes in for 2 of these. Pour it back in, because it says pour them into here. And then tear open the pour container. Mixing container very well until they're all gray. It's just explosives. I'm gonna open it with my mouth.
He takes a picture on that. It's like, with a big camera. I think it needs some sort of fire combustion.
Yeah, it needs to probably smack really hard.
See what it looks like before you mix it, baby.
Big flat one like that. Didn't blow up? It did blow up.
Alrighty.
And mix it all up till the whole thing's gray.
Everybody go.
Gene's the only one left shooting.
She put 2 in there and then you throw up the little box. My fucking target! That's pretty cool.
That's my shot.
Holy shit!
Let's go.
Bubba. That's his ace.
Cam, what do you got to say about that?
Gang gang.
You're not gonna shoot your.
You gotta hang on to it, bro. Or it'll take off on you.
Holy shit!
Let's go.